Now introducing the chip. Okay. What about the chipster? The chipper. The chipperoni. Alright. What about the nacho chip?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna dice up 1 whole large onion and 2 big old tomatoes. Also, I personally like to use just the outer layer of the tomato so my nachos won't get soggy.
No! Why?
'Cause your breath stank.
So after we're done cutting our tomatoes, we're gonna place that skillet right on the fire and start pouring in some olive oil.
We're then gonna place 1 pound of ground pork
And add 1/4 of the onion, some garlic salt, pepper, and some more salt to taste right on that beef.
I mean pork. We're then gonna cook it for about 6 minutes and add some
I know. You pick it.
bacon. Once your meat's done cooking, we're gonna set those 2 aside and start spreading some frijoles right on top of those tortilla chips.
After we're done with that, we're gonna layer our skillet with those tortilla chips, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, half the amount of pork, bacon, and onion we prepared earlier, and a generous amount of lemon pepper right over those tortilla chips.
We are then gonna put even more tortilla chips on top
And top it off with 2 cups of cheese and all the rest of the ingredients such as the pork, bacon, onion, and tomatoes that we prepared earlier. After that, we're gonna top it off with some lemon pepper and cheese and wrap it in foil so we can cook it for this many minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a great day.
Peace.